Coach, your team is off to a 3-0 start. Can you talk a little about the past 3 games and what's working so well for the team?
I think our success is coming from our conditioning and specifically our speed and endurance. I think we're outlasting a lot of the teams that we're playing. I know that was certainly the case at Notre Dame, and then it was a good test against Ohio State because we only had a day off before one day off before we had to prepare for Ohio State. So I think our conditioning, speed, and endurance have really been working for us. On top of that, we have a really deep team this year. Actually, I shouldn't say really, but I would say a deep team. And I think it's been helpful because we have so many people who are able to prepare our starters, and there's a lot of competition going on every day in practice. So, it's just making every day really competitive, and it's keeping people on their toes, and everybody has a shot. So it's really been helpful.
Against Ohio State, you had 1 goal in the first half and then 8 in the second. How did you guys adjust and end up winning that game?
Yeah, I think Ohio State had a really unorthodox defense in that first half, and we were just taking a little bit too long to figure out exactly how to beat it. I'd never seen something like that before, so our players were working with the systems that we had. We weren't shooting very well. We were getting all the shots off, but we weren't finishing. I just think the adjustments came with a little bit of poise mentally, and then physically we made the adjustments on our offense to beat that strange zone that we saw.
And Kate McCarthy has been a leader on defense, especially this season. Can you talk about her playing style and what she brings to the team?
Yeah, I think Kate is probably our most competitive kid on the team. She is one of the most athletic kids I've ever coached. She's one of the most athletic kids I've ever seen play lacrosse. So she is, a huge asset for us. She's a leader by example. She does everything with her actions. And, her teammates respect her, so I think she commands her teammates' respect by doing everything. She doesn't tell anybody to do something that she's not already doing herself. So she's just very athletic, very quick, very smart. But the best thing about her is that she is a competitor. So, we're happy she's on our side.
And tomorrow you host number 2 Syracuse. What do you do to prepare for their playing style?
Syracuse is probably the best team in the country, one of the best teams. And we have to use our strengths to beat them, which again is our conditioning, our speed, our endurance, our stick work, our depth, our ability to prepare. But they are going to be very, very, very good. They have a really strong attack and a really strong transition offense. So, we're focusing on what makes us good, but we're also making some different adjustments defensively and on the draw to be prepared for, the strengths of their game too.
Right. Anything else you'd like to add?
No, thank you.
All right. Thank you. Good luck tomorrow.